Hey everyone, so this is not a process video. I'm just doing a share of my Secret Not Secret kit club that I ordered, plus the very small amount of items I ordered from scrapbook.com. I am doing a mini album, a Halloween mini album, and I have some stuff from a Bella Boulevard line from a couple of years ago. I want to say it's called Halloween Magic, but don't quote me on that. But I was concerned I didn't have enough to finish the album, so I just bought a few things. I bought 4 pieces of paper, a 6x12 sticker sheet, and then 2 packs of ephemera pieces. So I have these ephemera words, the sticky mix, which is just a mix of cardstock stickers, and then 4 pieces of paper. This one called Night Garden, and then this one called Web Crawler. This one is Daily Details. And then this one called Watching You. Okay, now you might have said to yourself, Rachel, I thought you said you bought 2 packs of ephemera pieces. Well, I did. So I got the one that is ephemera words, and then I got the one that is ephemera. So you'll see this is what you're supposed to get. These really cute Halloween and fall themed ephemera. And here comes Xanthi. She was in her box and she decided to go all the way around, and all I'm going to do is push her back in her box. So what I actually got was their Christmas ephemera pieces. I don't know if you can see it, but that says Christmas Eve, Merry and Bright, Decorating the Tree. So I'm going to have to contact scrapbook.com and figure out what to do about that. Hopefully I will get it in time, because I'm going to a crop in 9 days and my plan was to work on this mini album. So we will see what happens. All right, now to get into the meat of what this video is about, and that is going into my Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit. Now, normally I unpackage all of this, and this is just a little thank you letter from Christina, so I know it's in there. Normally I unpackage all of this because I hate the crinkling and stuff like that, but instead I'm just going to be surprised, because all I have is what I had on my sneak, so I have no idea what's actually in here. I'll just kind of turn the volume down when it gets super crinkly. We'll see how that works. All right, folks, let's see what I'm getting. Okay, so I am leaving it right here. I'm gonna flip it over and see what I see. All right, let's go. Ooh, yay! I may have specifically asked for these, but yay! So this is going to be almost all Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Whimsical. That's what I had asked for. So let's slide these things out. And I went for a smaller kit this time simply because, well, not super duper small, but I think I said around 30, to keep it around 30. So normally I would just go ahead and buy everything in a Paige Evans line. I very much enjoy her design style. But what I find is I end up having a lot of stuff left over, and not papers so much, but the embellishments, and I just keep adding them. And a lot of her stuff you can use with other lines and everything like that, but I thought it'd be nice to see if I could manage to get through with just this and not feel the need to reorder anything. Okay, so since they're right here, I will start with these. These are her multicolor mini thickers. They are called Happy Life. They are a whole bunch of rainbow, and they have, so they're foam stickers, but they have like a chipboard topping, so it's nice because they're shiny. So they're not matte like her navy and white combination. That was her first combination. They're more in style with the gold and rose gold that came out with, I think it was Auburn Lane. So pretty. And then the B side of that is the peachy pink color. And the same thing, they've got the hard coating on top, so they're shiny. So yeah, and I prefer actually the look of this to the white and navy ones. I mean, I like the white and navy ones. I use them a lot, but I definitely prefer the look of these to the matte look of those. Okay, so it looks like I got a half pack of the enamel shapes that came with Whimsical, so I believe there is double this, and so I got 1/2, which is perfectly fine for me. I have a ton of enamel dots, so just having a little bit of those, absolutely perfect. Next up, I got the 6x12 stickers, and these are great. They've got copper accents in some of the stickers, and then they're just beautiful. I love this rainbow star. And here is the other side. Cute, there's some knitting things, so I'll have to, my housemate knits, so I will try to do a layout about that. All right, let's do the bits and pieces first and then the papers. Okay, like you're agreeing or disagreeing with me. That's a decision I've made. So, less crinkles. Okay, so what it looks like is a mix of the two different ephemera packs, both the regular ephemera and then the floral ephemera, because in this kit there were two ephemera packs. There was a words and stuff, and then there was a floral one. So what it looks like is Christina took like half of the regular and half of the floral and smooshed them together, which is for me perfect because I didn't necessarily need an entire thing of florals. Oh, I get a fox! Yay! Oh my gosh, that is such a cute fox. Oh, that is so cute. As I was saying before I interrupted myself, I don't need an entire package of florals, so just half a package of florals is absolutely perfect. Sorry, just want to show you everything that I got. There we go. Oh, so pretty. I love that there's swags of flowers, but then there's also individual flowers. And so these are frames, and then you can punch out the butterfly and the clouds. So and I love that she included a third cloud, so I have 3 clouds, which is perfect. Yes, very happy with this. And here is my other one. Okay, so it looks like I get a length of, I want to say this came out with a Maggie Holmes line, but I'm not 100% sure. But let's just say I know it's not from the Whimsical line, but that is beautiful. I then get 2 of the charms from the Whimsical line, and these are pretty. And I'm not a super big charm fan, and I'm definitely glad I didn't have to buy, I think there were 6 or 8 in a package, so 2 is perfect. And then I get a section of these puffy hearts, and these are from, I know these are from the Amy Tangerine Shine On, I think it's called Shine On collection, and that's fabulous. I love puffy stickers, so absolutely a yay to that. All right, now it is time for the papers. There's a lot of papers. I can feel the thickness here. So, which is great. I love paper. First up, we have number 14, which is this beautiful multicolor floral on blue. The B side of this is a pink and cream diagonal stripe, also quite pretty, and that is paper number 14. Following up, we have paper number 8, which has a whole bunch of double fishtail banner words and phrases, so these would be great to cut out and have as embellishments as well as a paper. The B side of this is this gorgeous purple ombre, so I'll be totally honest, I don't know if these other ones will even see the light of day. I mean, the cool thing is I can use a couple of these from the banner strip, but this is screaming background piece to me. Next up, we have paper 21, which are these very cute butterflies on navy. Very pretty. So for those of you who know me, you know I don't like real butterflies in the sense that they're bugs, and you know, I don't like bugs. I have zero problem with butterflies in scrapbooking at all. The B side of this is really cute. So it's white with a light gray polka dot, and then there are multicolor micro hearts throughout the page as well. That is really pretty. Next up we have paper number 13, which is these little framed pictures and words and things like that. So obviously fabulous to cut apart. The B side of this is this green tone-on-tone geometric pattern. They look like hexagons with diamonds inside of them, so that's really cool. And next up we have paper number 1, which is the cut apart sheet. So it has tags and little pieces with words and pictures and some journaling things, and super fun to work with. The B side of this is a pink tone-on-tone geometric design with what looks like radiating diamonds. So that's a fun piece as well. Next up we have paper number 11, which is multicolored hearts, some of which have faux stitching around them, some of which have faux cross-stitch X's next to them. So that's a fun piece. The B side is a tone-on-tone dark pink, light pink geometric, and it looks like little diamonds connected into bigger diamonds by dotted lines. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but that's how I would describe it to someone. All right, we also have paper number 17, which is this multicolor star paper on a deep, deep teal. The B side of this is very similar to that other ombre paper, but it is shades of pink rather than shades of purple. We also have paper number 22, and this is a wide chevron, deep red, but like red just tipping over into orange, with then pink chevron polka dots. The B side of this is a very small floral on cream. Very pretty. And I think this is my last paper. Oh no, I lie. There's another one too. All right, so we have paper number 16, which is this awesome stripe of rainbows. And the, oh crud. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. B-side is a rainbow ombre-ish, like, so what I mean by ombre, and the fact that it starts off where they're like really far all apart, and then as you get to the bottom of the page, they're much closer together, and it goes in a rainbow color, so yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, pink, red. This one's gonna be hard. I have to be totally honest. I don't know what I'm going to do. All right, so now my last regular paper, I know there's something else there, but I know it's not regular paper, is number 2, and it's the one with the paint, multicolor paint splotches on navy. And then the B side has these, what I always describe as the ends of arrows. So it's like almost like a sketchy chevron in a rainbow color going back and forth horizontally. Super awesome. And my final thing is this paper, also from Whimsical. It's the cardstock cutout piece. So I'm gonna bring it up close. There's an example up here of what you can do. So basically, the pieces that are cut out can be popped up so that they can reveal layers for underneath. So you would put like colored cardstock underneath. I don't know how well you can see that. Well, you should be able to see it pretty well. So if you see here, where you pop a pattern paper underneath and then you can see the designs through the cuts. I don't want to open it because I'm afraid if I open it and then I'll accidentally catch some of these, and I don't want to rip it. Okay, that is my Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit for the fall/winter 2018. I hope you enjoyed this. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for joining me here, and bye!